get some people like, birth control is against my religion. It's against my religion. I'm like, really? Are you serious? Like, seriously? Seriously? I mean, because not getting pregnant is the only thing I pray about. I go to church on Christmas and Easter and weeks I'm late. That's it. They're like, you take the pill, you're going to hell. Well, that sounds way better than watching Frozen 2,000 times. I'll take hell. I don't believe in abstinence. I don't, but it's my favorite Christian argument. I love it. Anytime. They're like, hey, stay a virgin. You'll never get pregnant. That is inaccurate. Isn't it, Christians? Yeah, they're like, it's 100% effective. Well, then someone's rounding up. Abstinence fails, and when it fails, it's called Christmas. Yeah, we exchange gifts on Abstinence Failure Day. I'm not that into Jesus, if you haven't been able to tell. It's probably just me, probably just my experience. I just don't think Jesus is that different from every guy I've ever dated. Pretty similar, right? Just a dude going, here's some wine. I hope you're cool with all my rules. It's like, really, Jesus? I gotta go to your place again this weekend? There are just so many pictures of your mom there. Some of you don't like that joke. That's okay. Some are like, can't make fun of Jesus. He's coming back. Right? Jesus promises his second coming. Yeah. Every guy does.